Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 3, Figuring the Credit. In this chapter, we will examine the various calculations a taxpayer must perform in order to correctly figure the credit for child and dependent care expenses. The credit is a percentage of the taxpayer's work-related expenses, which are subject to both an earned income limit and a dollar limit. The percentage used is based on the taxpayer's adjusted gross income.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.